How to test hard drive speed. Poor storage disk performance and slow disk speeds are some of the most common reasons your computer might feel sluggish. If your computer isn't feeling as fast as before, try benchmarking your drives to make sure they're still working properly. Most operating systems make testing hardware relatively easy. These systems have integrated tools that allow you to test your hardware without downloading an additional program. Testing your SSD speeds on Windows can be done through the command prompt. Type CMD in the Start menu search bar, then right-click the best match and select Run as Administrator. Now, enter the following command, winsat space disk space hyphen drive space, then the drive letter which you want to scan. In this demo, I will select C where my Windows files are installed. If you don't know the assigned letter for your drive, you can find it by navigating to this PC and checking out the drive you want to scan. In this result, we have a sequential read of 426 megabytes and a sequential write of 230 megabytes. This covers how to test hard drive speed. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.